Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to now late night food delivery ride along. I got a 2-for-1 picking up for Corey and Bendo. Corey and Bendo 2-for-1 from 7-Eleven late night. Let's go. So got 2 pickup. Corey and Bendo. Yep, 2 pickup. Corey and Bendo. Corey and I delivered to this. Yeah, most of these are repeat customers. His name is Bendo, but yeah, yeah, it's funny. Bendo. Bendo and Corey, 2-for-1 from 7-Eleven. Let's go. So as you know, YouTube is shadow banning me when I go live on more than 3 times a day. Anything more than 3 times, they shadow ban my live stream. So I'm gonna crank out more regular horizontal. So yeah, if you enjoy food delivery ride along, all the gig apps, give your boy a subscribe, smash the like. Most importantly, turn on all notifications. Let's go. So this 2-for-1 roughly pays $1.60 per mile. $1.60 per mile. This 2-for-1. Alright, so late night with GrubHub, they require a 2-digit PIN by default. Yeah. So the customer have to come in and change that. Late night, like from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. require a 2-digit code. Alright, on to the next. Let's go. Once again, they require a 2-digit, and most of these customers don't even know. So we're just gonna let the 3-minute thing expire. Snap a photo. Let the 3-minute timer expire. Snap a photo. All right, I got the 2 digits. All right. What is it? 24. 04. 0404. All right, verify. Continue. Slide to the right. On to the next. Let's go. All right. Current time 4:37 a.m. 4:37 a.m. We're picking up 7-Eleven for Donna. $18 for 18 miles. Yeah. Due to the haters reporting me to all the gig apps, late night I only have 1 app. I used to have DoorDash, Uber Eats, and GrubHub. Currently, late night I only have 1 app to work with, and yeah. Eventually, I'll be back on DoorDash and Uber Eats. Just takes time, fam. Be patient. Hello there. Donna? Thank you. Go. Thank you, boss. Got it. Two waters. That's how we go. All right, let's go. This is interesting. She's gonna be outside waiting for me. Try to cover up the address. Yeah. Basically, she's waiting. She's gonna flash her lights at me or some shit like that. Oh, man. Let's go. Here to there is 6 minutes. 1.9. Let's go. Let's go make some more money. Shit, money don't sleep. Damn, there's fucking broken glasses at this 7-Eleven. Hopefully that doesn't flatten my give me a flat tire, huh? That would be bad. Let's go. Current time is 4:41 a.m. Rise and shine. 2 more hours to sunrise. 4:41 a.m. Let's get it. Let's go. So I'm gonna send her a text. I'm on my way. Just shot her a text. Let's go. GrubHub. How's it going, buddy? I just gotta take a picture before I give it to you. So sure enough, he was coming out. So the last order tip is $166, but the base is $15.70. Tip $166, base is $15.70. Yeah, not bad, right? Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. So this is what late night delivery looks like in Denver, Colorado. Yeah, base $15.70, tip $166. Two jugs of water at 7-Eleven. All right, so if you guys enjoy food delivery ride along live stream, make sure to subscribe, smash the like. Most importantly, go back to YouTube app, turn on all notifications, and if you want to support the channel even more, become a channel member. It only costs $5 per month. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.